There are a lot of things around us that are not bird-friendly. Clean windows? Not bird-friendly. Clean cars? Not bird-friendly.
Son of a...
That is just not friendly for anybody. One thing that is bird-friendly is at Common Grounds. Common Grounds in Port Clinton is proud to now offer bird-friendly coffee. Bird-friendly coffee is shade-grown, which sustains the rainforests and supports bird conservation. This 100% shade-grown coffee is Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center certified and is available for sale in 4 delicious roasts. Visit daily to enjoy the fresh brewed bird-friendly coffee of the day. Common Grounds is located in the Sutton Center at 1848 East Perry Street, Port Clinton. Common Grounds. Hard to find? Great coffee.